Hey guys, Jacob here. There are a few things you should know about this mattress vacuum. We've got a couple pups, we've got a cat, they all use this bed. Like to look out the window, and as you can see, it's very, very dirty. So we got this mattress vacuum sent to us by Teant, and we're gonna check it out, see if it actually does a good job at sucking up all the pet hair, see if it's good for pet owners. And also just a few things that you should know about this before you decide if it's right for you or not. All right, so really easy to use. Just plug it in. It's surprisingly lightweight. It looks, obviously the construction's good. It looks like it's gonna be heavy, but it's really lightweight. You can turn it on by just pressing a button. And then right now it's on the low setting. But you can see how dirty this was before. I'm just gonna do a few passovers and then we'll see what it looks like. You can hit the button again and it will actually offer more suction power. So this is what it looks like now. Obviously it's not perfect, but with what it looked like before, like over here. Now let's try it on a mattress as well and an actual comforter too, because I think you could use this for pillows, mattresses, comforters, and even things like mattress protectors if you needed to. This button right here, let's check the dust in here. To open this, you can press this button here. Oh God, I dumped it everywhere. Yeah. So you can open this easily. Be careful you don't drop it. The whole top does come off. To replace your filter, you can replace your filter right here. And then this is where all the dust gets collected. So with about 30 seconds of vacuuming, it picked up all of this hair that was on the bed. So definitely works really well, really lightweight. You shouldn't need to replace the filter more than like a few times per year, just as it gets dirty. Snaps back on. You slide it back in. Underneath, it does have rollers on it. I don't see any hair that got stuck or clogged on this roller. Nothing in the actual wheels. So as much as I love our cat, she sheds a lot and she likes to actually sleep on the bed. Doesn't matter whether it's the comforter, the pillows, wherever she pleases. And as you can see, the hair really starts to pile up. So this is a more practical, like, is this actually gonna work for us? Let's find out. So far, maybe some surfaces don't work quite as well, but if you have a surface like this that's more velveteen or plush, it works really well. So pretty much filled up, and I'm surprised with not only the large hair, but also the tiny dust bunnies and dust particles that it collected as well. So the stuff that you can see and the stuff you can't see. Be sure to empty this out regularly. Don't just leave it in there. You want to dump it out so it performs the best, and replace the filter when it gets dirty. Otherwise, very low maintenance, and we're definitely going to be using this to help keep everything clean. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.